If you think about a great smartphone in 10 to 15,000 rupees price segment, that there is only one answer, and that is the Redmi Note smartphone. Okay guys, Redmi Note 4 and so on above have been the most successful Redmi Note smartphones. Okay, the main prime initiative behind this smartphone is to provide such a great high-tech specifications in the lowest price possible. Last year, Redmi introduced the Redmi Note 7, the Note 7 Pro, the Redmi Note 8 and Redmi Note 8 Pro. Okay, in the month of March, Redmi introduced the Redmi Note 7 smartphone in India, and that was a mind-blowing hit. Okay, that was having a glossy back. It was overall a premium finish with the latest display quality, and it was just a steal of a deal. Okay, you are getting a teardrop notch, you are getting a glass back, a dual camera setup, and you are getting all of the crazy high specifications in the lowest price possible. And guys, in the later part of 2019, Redmi introduced the Redmi Note 8 and the Note 8 Pro. Okay, both of the smartphones are having a quad camera setup, and they are certainly one of the most sold smartphones in India. Okay guys, the main initiative behind this smartphone is to provide you the high-tech technology in the lowest price possible. And the Redmi Note 8 Pro is certainly a great smartphone, but the thing where the Redmi Note smartphones are lacking nowadays, and that is the display. Okay guys, the Redmi Note 9 Pro is going to be fixing this issue. The Redmi Note 9 Pro is going to be coming with a centric punch hole display. Okay, there is going to be a centric punch hole in the display of the smartphone, and again I want to say, like, Redmi always offers the IPS LCD display technology with the Redmi Note smartphones. Personally, I would say, like, if they will introduce a AMOLED display in the Redmi Note lineup, that will be great. But guys, Redmi has reserved the AMOLED technology for the Redmi K30 smartphone and for the Poco smartphones. Okay guys, so Redmi is going to be opting for a LCD IPS display this time with the Redmi Note 9 Pro. But there is going to be a minor twist, and that is, instead of a teardrop notch or any notch, you are going to be getting a centric punch hole. Okay, the premium smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, the Note 10 Plus, and the recently launched the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite and the upcoming OnePlus smartphones are also going to be having the centric punch hole display, and hence this will make the Redmi Note 9 Pro a premium smartphone. So guys, the Redmi Note 8 Pro is incredible in the camera department. Okay, this smartphone has a 64 megapixel main sensor followed by 3 other sensors, and hence this is one of the best camera smartphones out there. And guys, the Redmi Note 9 Pro is not going to be an exception. It is going to be featuring the exact same camera array like the Redmi K30 smartphone. Okay, there is going to be a primary camera of 64 megapixels, which is a Sony IMX sensor, which is incredible because the Redmi Note 8 Pro does not feature a Sony sensor, while the upcoming Redmi Note 9 Pro is going to be featuring a Sony sensor. And the second most interesting factor about the Redmi Note 9 Pro is the battery life. Okay, the Redmi Note 9 Pro is going to be having a 5000 milliamp hours of battery life, which is great. Okay, this is a huge smartphone in all the form factor, and again it is running the IPS display. There is no OLED display, so the power usage is way more. So guys, there is one more factor which will make this smartphone an incredible beast, and that is the processor. Okay, you will expect like the Redmi Note smartphone will come with the Snapdragon 730G processor, but guys, hold on a second and let me discuss. Like, the Snapdragon 730G is impossible to fit in the 15,000 rupees segment. Okay, you are not just investing behind 5 cameras, okay, 1 front camera and 4 back cameras, but there are so many portions where you have to spend a lot of money. And guys, the 730G processor is very expensive, and that is reserved for the premium smartphones. And guys, the Redmi Note 9 Pro is going to be getting the MediaTek Dimensity 1000. Okay, the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 is also going to be coming in the OnePlus 8 Lite. Okay, OnePlus is going to be launching soon a smartphone which is going to be called as the OnePlus 8 Lite, which is going to be for 20,000 Indian million rupees approximately. So the Redmi Note 9 Pro and the OnePlus 8 Lite are going to be the direct competitors to each other. So guys, in today's video I wanted to give you this key factors that it is going to be having a 5000 mAh of battery, it is going to be having a centric hole punch display, it is going to be having the MediaTek Dimensity 1000, and the ultimate competitor is the OnePlus 8 Lite. So guys, let me know that will you prefer the Redmi Note 9 Pro or the OnePlus 8 Lite. So if you have liked today's video, if there is going to be any other update regarding the Redmi Note 9 Pro, I am going to be covering it up. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and smartphone world, then please consider subscribing to our channel, as it really motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.